guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a ponytail. I'm going to be using a wavy hair, kind of like a body wave, and I'm going to be doing it on wet hair. So usually when I do my ponytails, I'll blow dry and flat iron my hair, but if I'm in a rush like I am now, I'll just wash my hair, spray it down with conditioner, even leave a little bit of conditioner in it, and then I slick my hair into a high ponytail. So some of the things that you're gonna need gel. Today I'm using the Eco Styler gel in the olive oil. You're gonna need oil sheen, a really good brush, and some edge control for your edges. I also used leave-in conditioner. This is the Cantu Kids conditioner. And I'm gonna use my easy detangle brush to slick my hair back as well. So let's jump right into this video. So I already washed my hair off camera. It's pretty curly, it's pretty big, but we're gonna get into a really slick ponytail. So how I usually start off is I get my brush. Whether this brush or a Denman brush, they'll do the same job. And you're just gonna start to compress your curls back and get it as slick as you possibly can. So because my hair is wet and I was putting leave-in conditioner, so if you notice, I haven't put any gel in my hair as yet. The reason for that is because once you start putting the gel in your hair is gonna start to curl even more than it already is, and it's gonna start to get unruly. So you wanna kinda work with it how it is, like first, and then you're gonna add your gel. So I'm quite happy with it now. Go closer so you guys can see. Now I'm going to add my gel. And like a genius, I didn't open the gel first before starting. So I'm gonna have to let go. Quickly. Don't make that mistake, guys. Open your gel first. So I'm gonna get about that much, and I'm gonna rub. Go all across the front. I was gonna do a part, but I don't know. My face is kind of big, so we won't do a part. All right. Now what you want to work fast. Like you don't want to take forever to get this hair into a ponytail. First reason being, your hair is gonna dry, and it's gonna be extremely hard to get your hair into a ponytail. And the second reason being, the gel starts to dry and flake, and you don't want that. You want your hair to look shiny and healthy and slick. So I always like grab the top and kind of like the slickage. So you can see like my hair starting to do this like wave thing. Don't worry about that. We're gonna get rid of that at the end. Just realized I took all my baby hairs. And we'll slick those at the end. What do you guys think? High enough? Okay. So you need a really good hair tie for this, guys. Something that's not gonna break halfway around. Or you can cut a hair band, cut it in half and just wrap it around. That's what I usually do. me, I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm just gonna like smooth it. Maybe hard for you guys to see, but and I'm just gonna wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then voila, voila. Okay. I'm happy with it. I'm going to put my hair tie in. Oh my god, I feel like I've been wrestling. My arms are on fire. They're literally on fire. Just gonna adjust my shirt. Sorry guys. And here's my hairband. Oh, so what I took the softer side of this brush. This side is hard and then this side is soft. I'm gonna go in with the softer side. Just to smooth these hair down. And I switched to the harder side at the back. My hair is a lot more stubborn back there. Just leave these in here. I am happy with that. Now to deal with this bird's nest. So I don't know about you guys, but if I don't tie this with a silk scarf right now, forget it, the whole thing's over. The whole ponytail's over, pull it out. It will not, it will just start unraveling and I'll look crazy. So even though it's a little wavy, I'm okay with that because I'm using a curly hair. What I am gonna do though, is I'm gonna take my silk scarf. If you don't have a silk scarf, you can use a do-rag, cotton, but silk is always the best one. And I'm just gonna get my scarf and lay it around top. And then forward. Kind of want to pull the back part higher. Make it as tight as possible. Because what you want to do is you want to lay all the hairs that are going to fly away. You want to lay them flat. I'm just going to tuck that to get that out of the way. Yes, I look crazy, I know, but wait till the end. Okay, so now you just want to get your ponytail, and while this sets for 5 minutes, you're going to prep your ponytail. Spray it if you need to. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my leave-in and I'm gonna spray my ponytail. And this hair that I'm using is Indian Raw. I believe it's a deep wave. And I've had it for like a year now. It's amazing. You could put it in a wig, you could sew it in, you could use it for ponytails. It's just awesome. It literally, once you condition it, it just bounces back and looks beautiful like that. I will put all the details in the description box below so that you guys can get yourself some news. So while my hair sets, I'm gonna start to wrap my ponytail. So because the end of my hair is actually like pretty long and I don't want my ponytail to be like to my bum, I folded my braid. You can see I folded my braid in half and I just kind of use an elastic band and tied up the end so it's like kind of like a blunt end, because I don't want my ponytail to be too long. I think it looks ridiculous like that, at least on me. So I'm just gonna test out the length. Well, mid back, I'm okay with that. So now, what you are gonna do is you're gonna get either a hair tie or a bobby pin. I think I'm gonna use bobby pins. I'm gonna put it onto the end. because I'm only leaving this on for about 4 days. So normally I would sew it down with needle and thread. And obviously I'll show you guys how to do it if you want to do it with needle and thread. But if you want to just do a temporary ponytail, something quick, you're going out for the weekend and you don't want to sew it, you can use this method. You can also use a hair tie. So you just want to secure the hair tie to the end. And you're gonna
a lot of hair for one bundle. I'm actually like still so impressed by that. There's so much hair. So I'm actually gonna speed up this part for you guys so you can jump right to the end.
So now at this point, you're pretty close to the top. I want you to take your scarf off because you don't want to wrap the hair around the scarf. So we can put the scarf on at the end for another like 2 minutes. It's so cute, I love it. Okay, so now it's looking pretty slick. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna wrap, you can see right here, you can see your track. I'm gonna get a little piece of hair from the very bottom. Just gonna hold your ponytail up like that. You're gonna get a nice good section. Look at that, a little bit more. Okay. So this is the section we're going to be working with, and you're going to be wrapping this around the top. Perfect. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to take a little gel, put it all over. Here and smooth it. You're going to take your comb, and as you're wrapping, you're going to tuck it. If you have long nails, you can use your nails and just kind of tuck that in. Then I'm going to take a bobby pin and secure that end. Yes. Get your spritz spray. Spritz that. Touch, you're just gonna get your hairspray. And you spray your real hair as well, so everything matches. And voila. Those shiny ends. And that is the finished look. Let me know if you guys like it.